guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see by looking at my surroundings, it is a completely different video that you are used to see from me, but I really wanted to give you an update on everything that's been happening in my life, and also a little introduction, or more of like a question, whether or not you would like me to do more vlog type kind of videos like this, especially for the upcoming couple of months, because I have already dropped it in a couple of different videos as well as in community posts that I will be moving out of the home that I'm currently living in. And I've been living here for over 8 years now, but we have just recently found a new home that we really wanted to move into, and things really went our way and we got really lucky and just really like financially stable and everything to be able to move to not really like a bigger house, but just having more space surrounding the home, so we actually have like room and space to build some like office settings and stuff like that, so I can actually record not being in home, and with my husband, or at least husband to be, working from home ever since the pandemic started. He's just really looking for a place to make really workspace and not being inside the living room as it is right now, because right now where I'm sitting is my living room. I have my filming setup right here. Oh, and if you do hear some buzzing every now and then, that is one of my LED lights. It actually has a little fan in there, so it prevents the light from overheating and stuff. It just cools it down. So if you hear something like that, that is just that light, because I have been recording videos non-stop this entire weekend. It is November 7th if I'm correct, and yeah, this is just my first little moving update. La la la, you know. Well, yeah, this is actually our workspace. So here's my setup, and this corner is actually my husband's work setup where he works from home. So yeah, the reason why we are moving is simply because, of course, we wanted more space to do our own thing, but we also really didn't want to have neighbors that were attached to our house, if you know what I mean. I'm not quite sure what it's called in English, but here in the Netherlands, I live in a so-called rijtjeshuis. So I have neighbors and their houses attached to my house from both sides. So I'm not at the corner of the little like row of houses, but just one in the middle, you know. But yeah, my husband actually has a lot of issues working from home when it comes to the neighbors, because I have some hella loud neighbors and we just really need some peace and quiet. Because you know, it's just really annoying when you're working from home and you have a lot of like important stuff and meetings and so on, you know, and then your neighbor is like screaming and drilling and stuff like that. It's just not handy. And for me personally, nothing much has really changed ever since the pandemic happened, because I'm at my like now full-time job since I think it was January or February 2020. So I've been working there for almost 2 years already. We are just still going strong, going on. I've never worked a day from home because that's simply not possible in the current job that I'm in, and I'm also not planning to quit there anytime soon, because I just really love my full-time job, even though it can be quite hard working 5 like towards 6 days a week, and then having like my household to run, social stuff I have to do, my YouTube job next to that. So it is quite a hectic, busy life as it is with the job that I'm in, but I just love it so much, and I love my co-workers. They're like family to me, that I just keep on working there. So yeah, we are moving a little further away. Like it is like a 50-minute drive max, like from where I live now. So don't worry, it's still in the Netherlands. I'm not going to another like country or something like that. But it is, for me, it has a bigger impact on me personally, to move further away from where I live now, because now I live like 8-minute drive away from my work. So I'm like in and out of work really quickly, and that is going to be a big change, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but for now I'm just really happy at the spot where I am when it comes to work, like my regular job. The only thing is I am moving, backing up. As you can see, it is like a little hazard back here. Oh, and there's Choppy. I'm just backing up a lot of stuff, and it takes up a lot of time, and that also means some like things happening for my YouTube upload schedule as well, because you guys know that I usually upload Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and I will try to continue to do so during the month of November. But I am actually getting the keys to our new home on December 1st, and from that moment on we will start like moving, renovating, doing a lot of stuff to the new home, because it isn't a super updated, new, fancy, like sparkles, bling, new home. It is like an older home, and we have just totally fallen in love with that, because it is such a cute little house. And it isn't like a big house, like it's not bigger like in square meters than we have here, but the property itself is quite big and gives a lot of different opportunities for us that we really want to do from like now on towards like 5 years or 10 years or stuff like that. But yeah, because so much is happening right now and I can't get more time off of work to actually pack up my stuff and move. I only have 1 week off in December, and that is right in the middle of the holidays. So from Christmas towards I think January 2nd or 1st, I have like 1 week off, and that's it. So I will keep on working full time, and yeah, that means I have to cut down a little bit on YouTube, and it really hurts my heart to do so because I love this so much that it feels like I'm slacking and letting people down, and that's not what I want. But I don't want to get all emotional because of it, because even though I've held like, oh man, I'm stumbling. I have already shared it with you guys in a couple of my videos, and I already got a ton of replies from you guys that there's no pressure on doing YouTube videos while moving and all that jazz, because you're like happy enough if I just post anything at all, which really lays off the pressure for me, because I don't want to feel like I'm letting anyone down or that I'm slacking, because this is like one of my biggest passions in life, to do videos for you guys, and it just takes up so many time. Like I've told you this in previous videos as well, doing YouTube videos, it's like I'm always working. I never have a day off, because of course I do work full time already, like 5-6 days a week, and then the spare time I have is actually put into recording videos, editing the videos, doing voiceovers, recording intros. It's a lot of work, like don't get me wrong, it definitely is a lot of work, but even though it is so like much work, I really love doing it, and it really gives me a lot of energy as well. So yeah, I just I just don't want to, I don't know, I feel like losing control in some sort of crazy way. But you know, I'm just gonna check and see what I'm doing. I have already recorded a ton of videos on forehand, so I will be posting at least once a week in December. I've already gathered some extra like footage as well, swatches, nail polish of the week videos mostly, because those are really easy for me to do, because I just record those in one go, so I only have to wait a couple of minutes in between every single nail polish coat that I'm applying, so those are easier for me to edit and stuff like that. So I will be posting those at least. I do have some advent calendar stuff coming up. Yeah, just a lot of different stuff. So don't worry, I won't quit YouTube. I know that a lot of people are actually already being quite rude and asking me like, "Oh, when are you going to quit YouTube?" Because so many people are quitting after a couple of years. And I'm just like, girl, I just started. I just feel like I've been doing this for like 3 years almost, kind of. or at least doing posting, because I've had this channel and just this channel name for a while. Like I think it was since 2014 or something, but I've only started doing something with it at the end of 2017, like 2018. So yeah, for me, I just feel like I just got started, and yeah, I just made it my like business as well ever since the start of this year. So yeah, I don't really have a lot to say about that other than that I'm really grateful for you guys being so understanding that life is pretty busy at the moment, and I'm doing my best to at least post something once a week during December and January. But we'll see how it goes. And of course, I am going to take you with me on the journey of packing stuff up, or how I'm actually going to do everything, because I've gotten so many questions on how I'm actually going to pack up and move my nail polish collection, because it is a big collection. It's crazy. It's like I think over 2,000 towards 2,500 bottles of polish. Yeah, I'm just going to try and see if I have a little bit of time to do like some packing or just talking about that vlog type kind of videos. So definitely let me know if you want to see more about that. And for now, yeah, I don't really have a lot else to say other than that I'm working really hard to put up good content, like still good quality content, because it's really easy to be really busy and to just be like meh on videos, and I really don't want that. I just want you to have the same quality as I always share with you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have any thoughts or ideas maybe on how to pack everything up. But I already have like a strong view on how I'm going to do that. But yeah, I just really want to thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.